Welcome to my Isha Kids TV. Shall we read colors, children? Red or ED, red. Apple, tomato, cherry, strawberry. We are coloring red. Blue, BLUE, blue. Car, sky, bird, flower. We are coloring blue. Purple, PURPLE, purple. Brinjal, grape, flower, butterfly. We are coloring purple. Violet, VIOLET, violet. Butterfly, fish, flower, cake. We are coloring violet. Orange, ORANGE, orange. Orange, t-shirt, chappal, fish. We are coloring orange. Yellow, YELLOW, yellow. Lemon, mango, duck, banana. We are coloring yellow. White, WHITE, white. Horse, dog, flower, duck. We are coloring white. Pink, PINK, pink. Balloon, cake, dress, ice cream. We are coloring pink. Black, BLACK, black. Cat, shirt, gorilla, shoe. We are coloring black. Green, GREEN, green. Crocodile, cucumber, turtle, broccoli. We are coloring green. Brown, BROWN, brown. Donut, clock, mushroom, teddy. We are coloring brown. Grey, GREY, grey. Cap, robot, mouse, jet. We are coloring grey. Thank you kids. Bye bye.